Hey there friends, you're on the Bill Evers channel. Today I'll show you how to access diagnostic mode on an iPhone. To do this we need to turn off the iPhone, and we'll need a charger. Okay, after that I'm not sure how to place the phone correctly. Then, accordingly, press and hold the volume buttons, both of them simultaneously. Just like that. And while holding accordingly, plug in the charging cable. And keep holding them. Then release the buttons on the left. And after that, you're in diagnostic mode. Remember, you need to press the two volume buttons together and insert the charger. Then keep holding these two buttons, and after the Apple logo shows up, let them go. That's it. Everest was with you. Goodbye, everyone.